Hello dear friends, today I'm just making these stuffed manicottis and I'll just share a quick recipe how I use it. Over here the meat is ready. It's ground lamb meat and it's ready with just some onions and tomatoes and green chilies with salt, pepper and curry powder to it. And I'm just boiling the manicottis for 9 minutes and then show you how I'm gonna stuff it. So friends, I'm gonna add this ricotta cheese in a bowl and it's 15 ounces. I think I'm gonna use more than half of it. So in this boiling water, I'm gonna add some salt, just a teaspoon, and some oil, and place these manicottis only for 9 minutes. Dear friends, I have added a pinch of salt, some ground black pepper, and now I'm adding just 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves to it. Leaves just to add some color, give it a good mix. Now I'm adding this. So dear friends, in a skillet I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm using this mushroom pasta sauce. Carefully pour all of it in here. Over there, my manicottis have been boiled, so I'm gonna drain them. And just pour some cold water so they can be cooled. They'll be completely done in the oven. We have to let them cool down for 5 minutes before filling them in. In the sauce, I have added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt, which is half teaspoon, and now I'm gonna mix it up and add just a tablespoon of lemon juice to it and let it cook for 3 minutes. Just 1 tablespoon. Mix it up. Time to assemble. In the foil, just add some sauce at the base. Preheat the oven at 355 Fahrenheit. Over here, we are using the manicottis and we are gonna fill it nicely. And completely. Some more meat layers. You're adding some more layer of meat. You're adding mozzarella cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want to. I'm also adding some Romano cheese on it. I have these sachets, I'm gonna use them. Some red pepper, which is crushed red pepper. This is how it looks like.